Step number 1, preheat the oven to 350.
Step 2, mix eggs with sugar.
And then you're going to whisk it. Whisk it real good. Step number 3, get the melted butter and vanilla and whisk that baby right up.
Step 4, add the flour and the baking soda. Wait, I forgot my whisk. Yes.
Whisk it real good. Step 5, you're going to add the milk, or as I like to call it, the white stuff. There's 1 and 2. And yet again, you already know. Step number 6, you gotta line your cupcakes. So we're gonna go down to our cabinet and pick out a liner that represents us. Here's one. See, I got the duck liner because it represents laughter and life, kind of like me. Nate, what'd you get?
I got Minnie. Just chill.
You gonna put them in? There you go. It's for you, Mom. Step number 7. You're gonna want to scoop your cupcake batter and put it in the liner.
Oh. Yes.
Oh, look at that batter, baby.
Gorgeous.
Batter up.
Gorgeous.
You really want to get all of that batter in there. No batter's wasted here.
Scoop that nice. Nice and good.
Oh, yeah. Look at that batter.
Wow.
Alright, step number 8. You got your preheated oven ready at 350. You're going to want to put them in there for about 15 minutes.
Nice and hot.
That's the way we like it.
Yee.
You're going to close this baby up. Set it for 15 minutes. So while the cupcakes are in the oven, we're going to make our own homemade frosting. You're going to want to combine the butter. Nate, can you grab me that milk? And then, last but not least, the powdered sugar. All into one mixing bowl. And then we're going to open this up.
Put it in. Close it.
Lock it and turn it on. You want to keep it on low and controlled speed right now.
Look at that go.
Oh, look at that frosting. It's coming together real nice. Real nice.
Gorgeous.
I think that's good.
So
Now we're going to take her out.
Oh, and there's our cupcakes.
Right on. Alright, so our cupcakes are done. Can you open that up for me?
I got it.
Thank you. Ooh, don't those look good? Let me just take. Oh. Huh?
Ooh. Look nice.
Now that we took out our cupcakes from the oven and let them sit for a while, it's time to frost them with our homemade frosting, which we prepared just a minute ago. So you're going to want to get a fair amount on there. I'll frost mine.
I'll frost mine.
You're going to want to evenly coat it for maximum flavor. Maybe a little bit. Look at that frosting. It's nice, white and creamy.
That's the way I like it.
Now that you've frosted it, it's time to eat them. These are good. Oh yeah, eat that cookie. You got a little.
Tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end. People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a one-boy cuddly toy, my own.